Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting fast. Charge the controller and keep the Xbox off so it won't steal the connection. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and keep the screen awake so you can see devices. Now press and hold the controller's small pair button by the USB port for about 3 to 5 seconds until the Xbox button flashes. That flashing means the controller is in pairing mode and ready to be discovered by the phone. Once the controller is flashing, switch back to the Bluetooth list on your phone and look for Xbox wireless controller. Tap that entry. You'll often see a connecting animation or get a short vibration from the controller. That vibration confirms the link is forming. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts the phone shows and keep both devices active until the status changes to connected. If you plan to use it for games, enable any controller input options in the game settings now. You're almost done. Open a game or a controller tester app and confirm buttons and sticks respond as expected. If something is off, power cycle the controller by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds, then retry pairing or tell your phone to forget the device and pair again. If pairing repeatedly fails, update your phone's OS and, when available, update the controller firmware using the Xbox Accessories app on a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.